In this video, you'll learn how to install WordPress on a local server using local WP. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functional WordPress site running on your local machine. Begin by navigating to the website local.com in your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, look for the prominent download button that clearly indicates the option to download local.wp. Click this button to initiate the download process. After the download is complete, locate the installation file in your downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files. Double-click the installer to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install local WP on your computer. This may take a few moments depending on your system's performance. Once the installation is finished, launch local WP. You will be greeted by the local WP interface. To create a new WordPress site, find and click the button labeled plus create new site. This action will open a setup wizard that guides you through the site creation process. In the wizard, you will first need to fill in the site name. This name can be anything you choose, as it will only be used locally on your server. After entering the site name, proceed to set up a username and password for your WordPress admin account. Ensure that the credentials are secure and memorable, as you will need them to log into your site later. After filling in all the necessary details, click on the button labeled Add Site to finalize the creation of your new WordPress site. The application will begin configuring your site, which may take a few moments. You will see progress indicators during this setup process, confirming that everything is being set up correctly. Once the setup is complete, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your new site has been created successfully. You can then click on the option to view your site or access the WordPress admin area to start customizing your site. Remember to verify that your local server has sufficient resources to run WordPress smoothly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.